This is the 2023 Kia Niro EV Wave. The EPA range on this is 253 miles. Let's get into the video. Starting things off, let's take a look under the hood. Alright, here's your charge ports. Let's work on our way to the back of the car. Super nice day today. Here's your trunk space. Moving on to the rear seats. You have USB-Cs right here. Cup holder. Alright, moving on to the front. So right off the bat, you have the Harman Kardon sound system. Over here, you can switch between your climate settings and then your radio settings with the push of the button. Pretty neat. Here's your infotainment screen. Here's your camera. All right. Down here, you have your wireless phone charger and USBs. This comes with the heated seats and ventilated seats and steering wheel warmer. All right. Well, there you have it, guys. That's our 2023 Kia Niro EV Wave.